Hello everyone, in front of me is Poco F6 Pro and let me show you how to change the ringtone. First, open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, click on the ringtone, choose the tune that you want to apply. If you don't like any of them, enter all ringtones and mark the one that you want to apply, click on apply then, tap on allow. And that's it. As you can see, it is applied and you can also see it here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.